Total first MLA group MLA team Romo Chibari Tongo referee Mara Silikya Kabokai Sini MDC team Belajar Najatau Kai Chibari Tongo ya Bokubui and I Silo Panga School Football Game lo Mucang Rana Bagai Silo Sampo ya Robo Joto team member player Romo Chibari Lai kalau apa kontrak kalau keluar nuhro itu banyak orang yakun di mana hari besar orang masih juga mulai
orang pas minit nih pakai
kabung MDC players and MLA players borak cibai di tong lain
orang cepat cepat lihat अभी इधर चलो ठीक है
9 August 2023 was one of the record by special event tinin occasion to International World Indigenous Day. Oni for auspicious day no tre bu kaham kena pandaw tinio sin sports department TTA district torok theke sin from now honorable executive members of the mama organize ke ha hero friendly match ungai MLA versus sin MDC ke ini kaham play ungka MDC ro MDC ro pai ka MLA ro pai ke bo jaga bo jungbo ro kuporin nayo chin tripura sani MDC ni hapo ni hoite sara entered tripura ko chin ni mara chin MCO kha kamung to ni nangai friendliness to ni nangai challenge to ni nangai positive ke body keno chin youth so no chin takli ni team wall indigenous ni team tamo indigenous to some youth as agents of determination takli ni team kai ya bokino chin sports ni very young and energetic bini ambition by no takli po chung ji ha chin future ro chin youth ro drugs addiction hoite free ong thong ye hambai